breeze, the world turns cold. Yet a tale of enchantment it doesn't fold. Snowflakes dance from the sky so high, blanketing the earth in a soft white sun. The trees don a shimmering icy dress. Nature's beauty a sight to impress. Cozy fireside chats and mugs of cocoa. Winter's warmth in a loving flow. Frosty breath and rosy cheeks in this season, joy peace.